Christianity and Islam, they cannot both be true. Why? Because they both have mutually exclusive beliefs. A Christian will say that you must believe Jesus is God in order to go to heaven. But Islam says, if you believe Jesus is God, you will never go to heaven. Therefore, they cannot both be true. So how do we figure out what's right? What process do we use to understand the truth from the false? The answer would be that we base our decision through common sense. Common sense is something that is universal, and we all use it in our everyday lives. So let me give you an analogy. Say a man comes to your home with nothing on but red underpants and flip-flops, and he says that he's there to fix your air conditioner. What are you gonna do? What you would do isn't as important compared to as what the process you would use to make a decision about this man. Would you just have faith? Would you just believe him? Or would you use your reasoning and your common sense, your rational decision making as a human being to figure out the truth about this man? You are definitely correct. You would use your reason. You would apply this knowledge that we have instilled in us as humans. And see, this is the exact same reasoning, rational thinking that we use to know that Islam is the truth. We can look at all of the facts, all of the things that are laid out in front of us, and we see what makes sense and what contradicts itself.